इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. The kitchen is one of my favorite spaces in my home, and I love keeping it clean, organized, and aesthetically pleasing. I receive a lot of comments from you all regarding the products and tools I use in my kitchen. So in today's video, I will be sharing some of my favorite kitchen tools and products that not only enhance the beauty of my kitchen, but also make my cooking routine easier and more comfortable. First, I'm starting with products that I recently purchased, a brass spice box and a rechargeable automatic pepper mill. I had these in my Amazon cart for a long time, and after giving it a lot of thought, I finally decided to purchase them this week. This is a handmade brass spice box from YFL brand, and it looks absolutely stunning. I love its old traditional Indian look, which adds a lovely Indian vintage vibe to the kitchen. The next product is this rechargeable automatic pepper mill from Agaro brand, which I absolutely love. Before moving forward, I will quickly clean this new spice box and pepper mill jar, and meanwhile I will also show you some of my favorite products. This is a foldable dish drying mat which is super useful for placing washed dishes so that the counter does not get wet. I absolutely love it, and I got it from IKEA. Next, I have these two glass soap dispensers, one for dish liquid and the other for hand washed liquid. I have been using them for years, and they're also from IKEA. I use a small stainless steel sink caddy to keep these dispensers organized. It comes with a drain tray that collects water dripping from the sponge, preventing the countertop from getting messy. This caddy perfectly fits both dispensers and a sponge, making it a great organizer for keeping the sink area neat and tidy. I often get comments asking why I have such a small sink in my kitchen and whether it makes washing dishes difficult, especially since there is not much space between the hob and the sink. For those who have been following me for a long time, you already know that this is not my main sink. This small sink is only used for quick rinsing like washing fruits and vegetables and minor cleaning tasks. My main sink where all the dishes are washed is in the utility area behind the kitchen. After washing, I left both items to dry for a while. While they dry, let's check out the next product. This portable rechargeable fan. I bought this last year, and today I took it out again. It has a very comfortable and compact design, and you can adjust the airflow using this knob. Since the temperature in Bengaluru has risen quite a bit, I feel very hot while cooking, especially since my kitchen does not have a ceiling fan. That's why I find this product really useful. The spice box and pepper mill jar are now dry. Let's fill them. Since this spice box made of pure brass, not all spices can be stored in it. Brass reacts with certain ingredients, making it unsuitable for storing salt, fenugreek seeds, coriander powder, amchur powder, or anything sour. Initially, I mistakenly filled it with coriander powder, as you might have noticed. But after realizing my mistake, I replaced it with dried red chilies. Overall, I love this piece. If you don't use amchur or coriander powder daily, this could be a great addition to your kitchen. Otherwise, I would suggest going for a stainless steel or plastic spice box, which is much easier to maintain. Now let's fill up the pepper mill. Its lower body is made of glass where you fill in the whole peppercorns, and the top lid contains a small motor that grinds them. You just need to press this button and turn it upside down, and it will start grinding fresh pepper instantly. One of the best features is that it comes with a charging cable, making it super easy to recharge. If you love using freshly ground pepper, this is definitely a highly useful product. I have been finding it extremely handy in my kitchen. Let's move ahead. Today I received some food items that I had ordered. I will be arranging them while also showing you some more of my favorite products. During the summer season, drinking tender coconut water feels incredibly refreshing. However, cutting open a tender coconut can sometimes be quite difficult. That's why I use a tender coconut opener. This sharp tool easily peers through the coconut and creates a precise round hole, making it super easy to extract the coconut water. It is definitely a very useful tool to have in the kitchen. Summer is here, and during this time, gnats and flies tend to gather around fruits. To store fruits safely, I use this fruit basket with a net cover. I have been using this basket for almost 2 years, and it has been incredibly helpful in keeping flies and fruit flies away from my fruits. Not only does it protect the fruits, but its elegant design also adds a stylish touch to the kitchen. For certain fruits like grapes and berries, I prefer storing them in the fridge. For that, I use these fridge storage boxes. These boxes come with a removable mesh tray, which helps drain excess moisture from the stored fruits and vegetables. This prevents them from getting soggy and keeps them fresh for a longer time. These airtight glass containers are also among my favorites. I use them not just for storing vegetables but also for leftover food. They help me keep my fridge well organized. For grocery storage, I have been using these glass jars from Trio brand for years, and they're definitely a favorite. Since they are clear, I can easily see what's inside, which makes my cooking routine much more efficient. During summer, flour, lentil and rice tend to attract insects quickly. To prevent this, I always add a few bay leaves and dried red chilies inside the container. They come in various sizes. The one I use are 1 liter and 1.8 liter containers. Because of their tall shape, these containers fit neatly inside a drawer, allowing me to store multiple ones in a compact space. These small glass jars are perfect for storing spices and seeds. To make filling them easier, I purchased this stainless steel funnel a while ago, and it has been incredibly helpful. This funnel even has a side handle, making it easy to hold while pouring. Earlier, some spices would spill over while transferring them, but thanks to this funnel, filling jars has become much easier. Next on my favorite product list is this rice keeper. I use it to store basmati rice, and I love its sleek design. It has a 10 liter capacity. The smart feature of this rice keeper is that you can take out the rice from the top as usual, but it also has a pull-out rice collection tray at the bottom. Let me show you how it works. When you pull the tray, a fixed quantity of rice is dispensed. This feature ensures you always use the older rice first, as rice is dispensed from the bottom. Because of its slim design, it fits easily even in narrow spaces. Next on my list of favorite product is this wooden 2-tier egg tray, which I get a lot of queries about. I bought it from Westside store, but unfortunately it is not available online. You might be able to find it in store only. I absolutely love this egg tray. It looks beautiful when placed on the countertop and adds a stylish touch to the kitchen. I also purchased this 2-tier metal vegetable basket from Westside, and I must say the quality is excellent. It has been holding up really well over time. Again, since there is no online link, you will have to visit a Westside store to buy it. Another great find from Westside is this set of tea and sugar containers. They have been working great so far. They hold a good quantity of tea leaves and sugar, and their aesthetic design adds a touch of elegance to the kitchen. Since these containers are airtight, they help keep the tea and sugar fresh for a long time. I keep my tea and sugar containers on this corner wooden rack, which I also get a lot of queries about. I bought this wooden rack around 2.5 to 3 years ago and it has been working great ever since. It looks beautiful in my kitchen and the wood quality is excellent. The rack is very sturdy, making it a reliable storage option. I purchased it from Amazon. Next is this stainless steel ghee container. The best thing about it is its size. It can hold a good amount of ghee at once, so I don't have to refill it frequently. And that's why I love it. For storing oil, I recently purchased this new dispenser, which I found quite interesting. It has a spout for pouring oil as usual, but the unique feature is that it also comes with a spray option, making it a versatile 2-in-1 oil dispenser. You can use the spout for regular cooking, and when you need to use less oil, you can simply switch to the spray function. I will show you how to use it at the end of the video. Next is this section fridge box, which I use regularly, and it helps me speed up my kitchen routine. I store all the frequently used small ingredients in this box, such as ginger, garlic, green chilies, curry leaves and coriander leaves. The separate inserts inside the box prevent moisture buildup, keeping the stored ingredients fresh for a longer time. Next is this wooden chopping board holder where I neatly store my chopping boards. The gaps are designed to fit the boards perfectly, making it easy to organize them. Since it's made of wood, the chopping boards also look aesthetically pleasing when stored in it. Another essential item that I always keep on my countertop is this steel trivet. It is large in size, making it very useful for protecting the countertop from hot cookware. I usually keep it near the hob while cooking, and it is spacious enough to hold 3 to 4 utensils at a time. Next, I recently purchased this product and also showed it in my meal prep video. It is a hung curd maker. This is a container with a mesh insert where you pour the curd. Over time, all the excess water strains out, collecting at the bottom, while the thick creamy curd remains on top, known as hung curd. This thick curd can be used as a Greek yogurt substitute, for making sandwiches spreads, or for preparing dips. However, if you don't use hung curd often, this product may not be essential for you. Instead, you can use a muslin cloth or a tea strainer to strain curd occasionally. Personally, I mostly use this to make sandwich spreads. And that's all for today's video. These were some of my favorite kitchen products and tools that make my cooking routine easier and faster. I received a lot of queries about these products, so I thought why not to show them to you while arranging food items in the kitchen. You will find all the product links in the description box, and I've also tagged them in the video. While watching the video, you will see all the product details as well. But please don't buy anything impulsively. Choose only those products that suit your needs and kitchen requirements. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. See you all in the next one. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.